We're doing a initial training with LSU Ag on their Wingtra with the RedEdge P payload and the RGB 61 payload. And we're just doing an initial training right now, but this is just the start of a great relationship with the LSU and LSU Ag that we can take this relationship, grow it into something, and support those guys and their efforts into what they're doing. They're researching crop health, and that's where we came in to assist them. The Wingtra, they're willing to cover a lot of acreage with a multispectral and a photogrammetry camera. So when it comes to ag and the technology that we have multispectral drones, we have capabilities for thermal. That gives these guys insight to what their crop health is doing. So without having to go out there and walk these fields, which are hundreds and thousands of acres, they can simply take off from a secure area, fly that entire field, bring that in-house, process it, and see where those stress or those problem areas are within that field. This is just the start of a great relationship with the LSU and LSU Ag that we can take this relationship, grow it into something, support those guys and their efforts into what they're doing.